I'm going to show you how to make money with channel this channel that's creating content. I will show you how he did it and how you can too. Just stay till the end of this video and we'll see how much it makes per month, per day, per hour, whatever, per year, obviously, because the money is much and it's not a real person doing the video. That is what's annoying me, bro. It's taking money, it's taking a lot of cash, bro. Then you are there fooling yourself, fooling yourself. Instead what you think about money, you think about girls. Let me keep my mouth shut. This channel has 1 million subscribers. It has uploaded 99 videos. 99 videos, and see, get good views. 70k, 600k, 200k. It has views. Not like all those channels have 5 views and all. He has good views. Views that can make him not to be angry for such a long time. You get me, bro? Feel me? See his videos. Look at view channel stats. 700,000 views. Want me to go to Social Blade? Let's go to Social Blade. Because me, I like talking about Social Blade. You go to Social Blade, you see how much it makes just by creating AI videos. Far from weak. That's his name. This guy is a genius. He's a genius. He is a genius because this is making money while he sleep. I've got 700,000 views in the last 30 days. Can you beat that? 700,000 views. Let's call it 700,000 views in the last 30 days. And it's making 2,000 euros per month. It's making your salary, your 9 to 5 job salary in a month. Aren't you jealous? Aren't you angry? Aren't you envious? And you uploaded only 100 videos. Didn't do that much. Just 100 videos. And it's gotten 86 million views. This is mad. What are we talking about, bro? The way he did it, let me explain to you. He went to Upwork. He hired people to do the videos for him because he cannot do it alone. He went to Upwork. He started going to the video AI videos. He went to people that know how to do AI videos. Sorry. He paid them. Yeah, all these kind of AI videos. Pay these people. And they did it for him. The script writing, the voiceover, and all. You can type it on this search. You pay all. Then you will see your videos will be like similar to those. If they don't understand you, you take far from look video, paste it to them. They will understand you, bro. This is how he makes money. See how much, bro? 86 million views. That means he has made at least 700,000, 400 or $700,000 or euro or pounds, whatever, bro. Think about what I told you. There's money in this industry. That's why you need to go to the link in my description. Click the link below. If you want to be rich, you're tired of your family being poor, if you want to end your poverty, Just click the link in the description and take action. Don't just have any negative mindset. As for me, I'm out, bro.